Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Text and Quiz. Today's my video we are going to discuss important questions related to Independence Day quiz. Don't forget subscribe this channel, press the bell button. When did India become an independent country? Answer 15 August 1947. 15 August 1947. Which day is observed as the Republic Day of India? Answer 26 January. 26 January. Who led the Salt March from Ahmedabad to Dandi? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Who wrote India's national anthem? Who wrote India's national anthem? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the main architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Where did Nehru raise the national flag of India on 15 August 1947? Answer Red Fort. In which year was the Indian National Congress formed? Answer 1885. What is the national motto of India? Answer Satyameva Jayate. Who was the first president of India? Answer Rajendra Prasad. Who was the second prime minister of after independence? Answer Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who wrote Glimpses of World History and Discovery of India? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. In which year was the Indian National Army formed? Answer 1943. Who will raise the flag during National Level Independence Day function in 2021 at Red Fort? Answer Narendra Modi. East India Company started trade with Indian from which city? Answer: Surat. Who wrote this slogan? Self-rule is my birthright and I shall have it. Answer: Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next question. Which one was the first major battle fought by British East India Company? Answer: Battle of Plassey. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred? Answer: 1919. During which movement Mahatma Gandhi gave the call for do or die? Answer: Quit India movement. What was the name of the magazine published by M.K. Gandhi? Answer: Young India. When did Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India? Answer: 1498. The rebellion of 1857 started from which city? Answer: Meerut. Who put forward the theory of drain of wealth? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. Who was the founder of Banaras Hindu University? Answer: Madan Mohan Malaviya. Who wrote the famous book India Wins Freedom? Answer: Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. On 15 August 1947, who raised the national flag during Independence Day event at Red Fort? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Who wrote the poem Sare Jahan Se Acha? Answer: Muhammad Iqbal. When was Indian Independence Act 1947 given royal assent? Answer: 1947, July 18. When did the Constitution of India came into effect? Answer: 26 January 1949. On Independence Day, who hosts the flag at national level event? Answer: Prime Minister. Which was the first European country to start trade with India's first? Answer: Portugal. Please subscribe this channel, press the bell button. Which social reformer is known of his effort of abolition of sati? Answer: Rajaram Mohan Roy. Next question. Who designed our national flag? Answer: Pinkali Venkaiah. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Answer: Alan Octavian Hume. Friends, this is the end of our video. Don't subscribe this channel. Press the bell button. Thanks for watching to all my friends.